Hi, my name is Nadra Atira binti Omar from SK Srisosang Temeloh. Today, I want to talk about innovation in green technologies. This is a very important topic for our planet. First, let's talk about solar energy. Solar panels are devices that turn sunlight into electricity. Many houses are now using solar panels to save energy and reduce bills. For example, in Malaysia, schools are installing solar panels to provide power for classrooms. This helps the environment by reducing pollution. Next, I want to mention electric cars. Electric cars Electric cars run on electricity instead of petrol. They do not produce harmful gases like traditional cars. Companies like Tesla are making electric cars popular. In Malaysia, we also have local brands. We also have local brands producing electric vehicles. This innovation is helping us reduce air pollution in our cities. Lastly, let's discuss recycling technology. With new machines, we can recycle more material like plastic and paper. For instance, some companies are turning plastic waste into new products. This This not only save resources but also keeps our surrounding clean. In conclusion, innovation in solar energy, electric cars, and recycling technology are changing our world for the better. By supporting this green technology, we can we can we can create a cleaner and healthier planet. That's all. Thank you for listening.